Hello. I decided to use a previous one. I cannot find very many that I could modify. A lot of them I had asked permission, but I used this person's on the solar system for third grade. I went in and added different links to videos, added some other stuff. So when you first get in here as a discover, there are YouTube videos here. And it says to watch them, learn a little bit about the solar system. And I made sure that these were under 6 minutes because they are third graders and they don't want to sit there watching a very long movie. Another video on the solar system as well. Explore the solar system songs so that they can get to know each one and remember their names and maybe even in order. Down here, I put reflection time to reflect on what they know. In these boxes, they will tell me 3 things they learned, 2 interesting facts or details, and then questions that they may still have. I did give them about 4 just in case they had quite a few. And then I left this in here from the previous one because I thought it was quite convenient, smart, and just adorable. They are to insert a Google drawing of the solar system and label them, and to insert it into a Google drawing, which I thought was really cool. So they put it in a whole classroom folder and they have everybody's in there. So I left that in there. Thought that would be really fun to keep them engaged. And then next, to further their learning, if I was teaching this third grade class and I knew we were going to be working on the solar system, I would have them pick a planet that they would like to know more about, so that we could do a school project on it. They could do more research in depth on one that they thought was really interesting. When doing this, the SD standards on here, I chose number 5, designer, 5A and 5B. The educators design authentic, learner driven activities and environments that recognize and accommodate learner variability. Also uses technology to explore, adapt, and personalize learning experiences that can foster the independence in the learning and also accommodate the children's differences and needs. And 5B, design authentic learning activities that align with content area standards and use of digital tools and resources to get that deep active learning. When trying to do this hyperdoc, the challenging thing was just finding one that I really like to kind of go in depth with it, I guess. I was kind of set on like a solar or on a life cycle of a butterfly. I've taught preschool before, so I was thinking more, a little more hands-on, having them move things with their fingers instead of typing answers to questions. So this was kind of new and fun, but also challenging, which was really nice. I do have a third grader, so I had her kind of play with it and she liked it. So, well, I hope you enjoyed. Thank you.